Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum. Once again, it's teacher time is here with part B of phonic sounds from N to Z with vocabulary and short stories. I hope you will like it. If you will like it, then do press the button of like. Do write your precious comments, and new viewers subscribe my channel. Let's start. It's the garden of One day, Nema went to this garden. She saw different things in this garden. She was very happy. She catched 9 butterflies and she saw a nest in the tree. In the nest, she found 9 nuts. Mm, Nima, net, nuts, nest. Oh, oh, oh went to seaside. He saw an octopus. He saw an orange and onion in its hands. Octopus drew some shapes. One was oval and another was octagon. Oh, 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 octopus. Oh, onion. Orange. Oval. Octagon. Oh, 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 oh. Pooh. Pooh likes paintings. One day he drew some birds with pencil. Pooh drew pigeon, parrot, penguin, peacock. Pooh, 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 pooh pencil. Pooh, parrot. Pooh, 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 pooh pigeon. Pooh, pooh penguin. Pooh, 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 pooh peacock. Pooh. Qua. One day Qua sent gifts to a queen. Qua sent quilt and coil. Queen was very happy to see them. Qua, 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 queen. Qua, qua, quilt. Qua, qua, coil. Qua, 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 qua. R, 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 grew plants of rose. Rabbit came and asked for to pluck a rose. Suddenly, rain was starting, and after rain, they saw a beautiful rainbow. R, 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 rabbit. R, rose. R, rain. R, rainbow. R, r. S, s, likes summer season. One day went to seaside. It sits on the sand. Saw a starfish. Made a sand castle on the sand. Saw a hot sun. Enjoyed over there. Seaside. Summer. Sun. Starfish. State. Sandcastle. T. T. T wants to take bath. Oh, in this washroom there is a tub, a towel, and a tap, and toilet, and a tissue roll. Tub. Ta 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 tap. Ta tub. Ta towel. Ta toilet. Ta tissue roll. Ta ta ta. Ah. Ah has a friend. He lives in urban area, upside of urban area. Ah unzip his file and take out the picture of his friend. He is an umpire. Ah took an umbrella and went to his home. Ah, 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 urban area. Ah, up. Ah, unzip. Ah, umbrella. Ah, umpire. Ah, ah. Wa made a documentary. Wa went on a van and saw a volcano. Wa saw a vulture and Wa saw here violet colored stone. Wow. 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 Van. Wow. Wow. Vulture. Wow. Wow. Volcano. Wow. Wow. Violet. Wow. Wo went to the shop. Wo bought a watermelon and walnuts. Wo watch his wristwatch. Oh, getting late. Wo took out the money from its wallet and came back to home. Wo Wo, watermelon, walnut, wo, watch, wallet, wo. X is ill. Right now, it doesn't have any story. So we will tell the story of kids later. Ks, ks. Yahya went to your house. Yahya played with yo-yo. Yahya ate yums and yogurt. Yahya has yellow things in its house. Yeah, yogurt. Yeah, yak. Yeah, yum. Yeah, yo-yo. Yeah, yellow. Yeah. One day, Z went to a zoo. Z saw a zebra. Z thought, what if zebra had zigzag lines on its body? What if zebra lived in a zipped tent instead of zoo? Zzz, 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 zoo. Zzz, 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 zebra. Zzz, zzz, zigzag. Zzz, 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 zip. Zzz, zzz.
Thank you very much.
From vocab A to M, please watch my previous video, part A. Now complete sound from A to Z, sing with me. Are you ready? Okay, now sing with me. Are you ready? Start. Avocado, F, G, avocado, F, G, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y and Z, Y and Z. Now I know my phonic ABC. Would you like to sing with me? Avocado, F, G, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay viewers, how was this video? If you like it, then please do press the button of like and tell me about this video in your comments, with your comments. And if you are the new viewers, then do subscribe my channel. Inshallah Ta'ala, in next video you can see the rest of phonic from